In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Gliffy for Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and signing in with an account that has administrator permissions. Next, click the Settings or gear icon to access the Confluence administration area. From the Admin menu, select Find New Apps or Explore More Apps to open the Atlassian Marketplace. Once the Marketplace opens, use the search bar to search for Gliffy. When Gliffy appears in the search results, click on the app to view its details and installation options. Review the app information, compatibility details, and pricing if needed. Then click Try it free, Get app, or Install depending on the options available for your Confluence environment. Follow the on-screen prompts to approve permissions and complete the installation process. Wait for Confluence to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that Gliffy is ready to use. To start creating diagrams, open any Confluence page and click Edit. Type Gliffy and select Gliffy Diagram from the available options. You can then choose a template or start with a blank canvas to create your first diagram directly within Confluence. And that's it. You've successfully installed Gliffy for Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.